Hello everyone, I'm Luna. Welcome back to your channel. Today we're talking about something a lot of people struggle with, how to speak English fluently.
Yes, and if you understand English, but feel stuck or nervous while speaking, this episode is specially for you. We'll keep it simple, real, and practical.
Yeah Max, let's start with a simple question. What does fluency actually mean? Many people think fluency means speaking very fast or using difficult words.
But that's not true. Fluency means speaking clearly, confidently, and naturally, even with simple words.
Exactly, you don't need big vocabulary, you need clear thoughts and regular practice.
One big reason people cannot speak fluently is translation. They first think in their native language and then translate into English.
And that process slows everything down, it breaks confidence and creates hesitation.
The solution is simple. Start thinking in English. Even short and simple sentences are okay.
Yes, for example, instead of translating a long sentence, just think, I am tired, I need help, I am going home. Many people say, I know English, but I don't get a chance to speak.
But honestly, you don't need anyone to practice with. You can practice alone.
Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing during the day.
Like, I am cooking food, I am going to work, I am watching a podcast.
Mistakes are normal. Silence is the real problem, not mistakes.
Another important point, listening. Good speaking comes from good listening.
When you listen to English daily, your brain learns pronunciation, rhythm, and sentence structure.
Podcasts, interviews, short videos, anything works. Don't try to understand every word.
Just listen for flow and confidence. Fluency develops naturally.
One thing people must understand, English is not a school subject.
It's a life skill, just like driving, swimming, or using a phone.
And skills improve only with practice.
Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily speaking can change your English completely.
So don't wait to be perfect, start speaking today. Comment below. I will start speaking today.
If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe us, it with someone who wants to improve their English.
And stay connected with us for more simple and practical learning. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.